Winter, winter, winter wonderland. It looks like this when it's winter in Sweden. A lot of snow covering a car. It's so beautiful, it's white everywhere. People can play, but it's cold. You have to have very good clothing because everywhere it's covered with snow. But not actually all the time it's like this. But this winter was 2 years ago, and this bulldozer is really taking out the snow on the road, or else the buses can never go. People are falling in line for the bus, and they are also covered with snow. So it's not really that easy when it's winter. There's a lot of things. You came from work and your car is full of snow like this, and you have to put them out, and you're tired. So it takes a lot of work. But anyway, it's not only that. When it's winter, it's a lot of fun. People can do skiing, snowboards, and any winter sports that people can have. And my kids usually do it. Since they were small, they usually go and ski. Me, I don't because I cannot ski. I'm afraid of it. And here it was when they were just small, like, like 10 years ago, because now they don't go skiing anymore. They do snowboards. So here they are just small and they love doing it. This is Liam. He just loves skiing. But now that he's already 15, he just do snowboards. He loves it more with snowboards. But here I will show you when they were still kids and what you can do with your kids when it's winter. It's a lot of things. If they don't want to go to ski or snowboards, then you can just be around in your area in the park and do sleighing and do some other activities that will really make them have fun. And here you see it's still a lot of kids doing the sleighing too. I have tried it and it's fun. And then you can have some snacks with you, coffee and chocolate, drinks, hot chocolates for the kids. And we love it having picnics. It's a family gathering that it's really nice for the kids. A very good outdoor activity when it's winter because there's a lot of things parents can do with their kids during winter. And when the kids are outside and active, it's really very good for them. So if it's snow time and winter time and you think your kids are just staying at home, then do activities like this and it will be a very good thing to do with your kids. Or just in your garden, it's already full of snow, then your kids can just play there. You don't have to go somewhere else. You don't have to go on a park because the snow is everywhere. So your kids can just do things just there near you. And for them, it's just so enjoyable. Or maybe in the balcony in your house, and as you see, I have the thermos there, and because they just love it to have hot chocolate with them. And here in our garden they make a snowman, and there they're making more snowman, and there they are drinking the chocolate, hot chocolate, and for them it's just fun. So it's a lot of things, a lot of it you can do with your small kids. And it's something to remember when they get big. Because when they get teenagers like that, they don't like to do these things anymore. They just want to sit in their computers. Or else it's just for parents very hard to take them out. But when they're kids, then it's just a matter of taking them out. You can go to a forest, and in this part, the snow was melting and then it became negative. So it's like that, it became an ice. So it's like an skating area there. And then to get some rest, we can sit somewhere else and eat our snacks, drink again some hot chocolates. And as you see, it's just so fun for them. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, please.